All right, here we go. It's time to read some grade level text. Boys and girls, do you notice the picture of the big frog here on the cover of this book? This is your Plants and Animals Grow and Change text that we brought home from school. Here, you're going to open this book up to page 8, and you're going to read the text, At the Pond. If you don't have your book from school, you can click on this picture here, and it will open it up to a digital copy of the text. Make sure it does. Here, you just click No, and there you go. You have your own copy, digital copy of the text, so that you can listen to the text and read the text. Now, as I tell my students all the time, boys and girls, try to read it yourself. Don't just press the play button and just listen to it. Give it a good try first. Try to decode or sound out the words. If you get stuck, you can click on one word, pond, and it will read it to you. Or if you get stuck and you need a whole sentence, you could hit play. But give it a good try first. Remember, we're learning to be excellent readers.